Lights, camera, action, you dig? Yo, what it do? Chevy Boy Smooth Game, man. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, man. We pulling up at the car meet, man. Pulling up at the car meet. It's going down in the major way, man. Epic Evolution, man. We out in front, man. As y'all can see, we pulling up on them, man. And we finna pull through the crowd and Big Burning. We finna pull through the crowd and Big Burning, man. Y'all got nice cars out here, man. We gonna turn the flashes on. That's how we coming through. You feel me? We gonna turn the flashes on. But y'all finna see some nice cars, man. The car club is out. I'm out. Let's get it. Let's go. We got Big Bernie coming through. Oh, we turn the houses on. We turn the houses on. We show up in whatever we in. You feel me? Yes, sir. You better know it. Chevy Boy Smooth squeaking and all. Big Bernie squeaking and all. We going through it. Y'all see the cars out here, man. We got the phone on the charger, stuff like that. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment down below. This is how we doing it, man. This is how we doing it. Making our way through the car club. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment down below. You feel me? All the nice cars out. They still coming out. Oh yeah, just what's up? What's up? We in the house. Y'all see us, man. We out and about, man. That's how we pull up, man. Yes, sir. There go the car club, all in line. Yes, sir. How we rocking? Post up right here at the curb. Alright, we gonna do it. Finna get out and get y'all this footage, man. Get y'all this walk around real quick. Let's go down. Really gotta get out of it now. Shit. Get y'all this footage, man. We got some good cars out here, man. There's some good cars out here, man. Good cars. Justin, the leader of the club. What's up, dog? I'm gonna walk around and get a little film right quick before the phone go dead. Yes, sir, man.
I'm sorry.
That dog girl, man. Hey, it up.
Can't yell at me this time.
Doing all right?
I'm here. You can't yell at me.
Yes, sir. Hey, y'all doing all right? Yeah, yeah. Oh, they got big Just out here. Look at big boy. Real true street car. So we babe.
You alright?
How you mean? You got it?
My brother's car.
Is that?
The blue one, and this is Marcus's.
Yeah, I remember we had that one downtown years ago up under the garage. Yeah, the parking deck. That was the one with the 454. Yes, sir. We got the street cars out. Excuse me.
So you coming in right now? So, oh, hell.
It still got a 454 in it. Yes, sir, man. The Adams out here, man. The Adams, they got both of them out. They was gonna bring Blueberry, but bring Bessie, but We'll do it next time. This is the second time we've been out. Yeah, man, they got them out here lined all the way up, man. Lined all the way up. So it's gonna come through with Bessie, but Bessie lights, my fiance lights ain't working. So I gotta get her done. Gotta get her done. Yes, sir, man. Yeah, I shit. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment down below. Chevy Boy Smooth Gang. It you do. Let's get it. Let's go, man. We in hero mode, man. The car club is out. Epic Evolution, man. We out and about doing our thing, man. So make sure y'all check us out. Y'all seen Justin, the leader, the red. Oh, we got the Adams out, man. Yes, sir. What's up, boy? Give me some love, man. Give me some love, man.
See the car?
Yeah. This y'all got the real street car. Yes, sir.
Hey, y'all see that right there? 18 motor strong.
Let's go, baby. Chevy game strong. Chevy game and no game, baby.
Hey, you see
I got blueberry, man. Back to back, baby. Back to back.
It feels like it's floating. I got
What's up? Got a car?
Huh?
Got a car? What is it?
Actually, you mean the new car or the Infinity? Oh, the Infinity broke down. Motor.
You got another one? You got another car?
No, we ain't got a 2019 Kia Optima.
You got it out here? Oh, where is it?
Yeah, it's over there, like, at the gas. Like, actually, no, yeah. It's right there next to that town.
Alright. Hello. How you doing? Alright. Just coming out? Tell them hey.
Hi.
That's what we do. Epic Evolution, we out here. How long y'all been out here? I just got out.
My car's on.
Yeah, I saw it when I was coming in. Yeah, I saw it when I was coming in. Yep, you're on camera now.
Busted.
Y'all gonna be on it. Y'all gonna be on it. I'm gonna upload it. I'm gonna try to upload it tonight in the morning. As soon as I get a chance. Yeah, they.
Oh, man.
I'm gonna finish grabbing the parking lot real quick. I'm gonna come back around.
I hear ya.
What music at, boy?
They got me hit the last time.
It's good. It's good. We're chilling. Hey, y'all said. y'all the footage, man. Straight exclusive QT and Macon, man. September 10th, 2022. September 10th, 2022. Hey, how many times you ran out of gas getting here?
Shit, none of that race car trailer ran back.
How many times you ran out of gas getting here in that street car?
I run out of big truck. I gotta fill it up before I leave. That's the reason I brought it down here, because I had to get.
I get the 4x4 out of there.
Huh?
I can get the 4x4 out of there.
You find it, you can have it.
You get the old fucking
I remember you had it when we was downtown in the parking dead a long time ago.
Yeah.
Have it been
Said
repainted?
it was a 454.
It's been repainted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
explaining something to you. Don't believe nothing you hear.
Yes, sir.
Except for you get it if you get the money right.
Now I got an S10. That's too big. That motor too big for my S10. That motor too big for my S10. Yeah, I'm going with the 427. I'm going with the 427 in it.
That'll be fun.
Two kids. That's coming. Got a great Mike Adams. Well, they put a big boy out. Hey, hold on.
Are you ready?
Hey, yeah, pop those right quick. Get in the building, Chevy Boy Smooth Game, light the camera as you did. Watch my high jump out of me. Hold up. Hold up.
You gonna lose it.
Hold up. My glasses. That dog? Yeah, that your dog. Hey, record. Hold up.
Slash bad bitch, snatching, come here, baby, mama, man. She said you live like a natural. Sold her 100,000, gave 10% to the pastor. Keep going up the ladder, they mad, make them mad. Told my son when I'm gone, you gon' be a rich little bastard. Corners on me, little bitch, kids, all my own bitches feeling salty. In my DM, talking about what you got. Yeah, but I still miss you.
Lights, camera, action. You dig? We finna get ready to head out, man. Epic Evolution. We finna get ready to head out. Epic Evolution, did I say it right? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright. Yeah. It's my commercial vehicle. We gonna head out. I got you on the camera though. Yes, sir. Big Burn do a little something. I shouldn't have did it with my baby like that. Y'all can see them turning in, turning out. Y'all see Justin right there leave. And all the rest on leaving out. Oh, Big Bernie smoked the tires. But yes, sir, man. It started out a little shaky, but it was okay, man. God fixed it. There go wheel. I got caught at the light. Wheels with the switches. Y'all know how it is. But let's go, man. We're gonna get back with y'all. We're gonna get this video blogged up. I'm in hero mode, you know. I'm waiting on the light to change so we can make a change. Let's get it, man. Lights, camera. Actually, you did. The light is green. And we on the scene. Let's get it. Let's go. Lights, camera. Actually, you did get what it do, man. Chevy Boy Smooth Game. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, man. It's September 10th, 2022, man. Things went good today, man. Overall, man, we checking out, man. We at the next event. 3 things on the schedule today, man. There was a moving job first this morning. Then the art sale downtown, man. Shout out to Michaela. She did a good job. Her first art show, man. We made it there, man. We back at the office now, man. Finna drop Big Black. Now we finna head to the car club, Epic Evolution. The car club that I'm a part of, man. But y'all know it's Chevy Boy Smooth. You already know. But we're a part of Epic Evolution, man. It's a good little car club, man. I just want to thank them so much for inviting Chevy Boy Smooth in the building. And y'all see the scenery, man. We at the office with it, man. This is just the beginning. We got another video that we're going to shoot at the car meet. It's here in MACON Georgia, 2022, September 10th. We're not taking the car. I was going to load it up and take it. But I got axle problems with a lot of weight, and this trailer be swinging. So I got to get to that, man. We got to get this front axle off. And we got to move the back axle forward. But we're going to get to that, man. Y'all know what it is, man. We're going to be back at y'all as soon as we get to the meet.